Thinking about that perfect classic cafe racer? That stripped-down aggressive look. It's all about a feeling. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one is the right one for you? Well, stop right there. We've done the research for you. We're counting down the 9 best cafe racer motorcycles of 2025, considering everything from style and performance to value. Don't buy until you see this list. This is the definitive guide you need. Alright, let's kick things off with a true legend. It's a bike that's less about mainstream appeal and more about exquisite detail and raw British soul. Number 9. The Norton Commando 961CR. Now, the Norton is for the connoisseur who wants the ultimate in hand-built British cafe racer exclusivity and craftsmanship. Now, it looks incredible, uses some top-shelf components, and offers a real visceral ride. However, its very high price and limited production make it a niche choice, not a best all-rounder for most people. While it embodies pure cafe racer spirit, its accessibility and practical considerations are significantly lower than others on this list. The 961cc air oil-cooled pushrod parallel twin with dry sump lubrication delivers 76.8 horsepower at 7,250 RPM and 60 pound-feet of torque at 6,300 RPM. Those clip-on handlebars give you the authentic cafe racer riding position. No compromises here. Full Brembo system front and rear. Öhlins upside-down forks, adjustable for preload, compression, and rebound damping. Öhlins twin shocks with remote reservoir, fully adjustable. 36-spoke polished aluminum rims. A carbon front mudguard. Hand TIG and MIG welded frame at Norton headquarters. At 507 pounds curb weight with a 31.9-inch seat height, it's substantial. The 4-gallon fuel tank gives you a decent range. And starting at an estimated $21,500 for the Cafe Racer version, this is some premium territory with limited production exclusivity. But coming up next, a bike from a German legend that just made a dramatic change to its most iconic engine. We got number 8, the BMW R12S. Now, the R12S brings legendary genetics to the streets in a modern and stylish way. It combines the shapes and colors of the ultimate racing bike from the 1970s, the R90S, with modern technology, comfort, and riding dynamics. Based on the R12-9T, it gives you a unique riding experience with an unmistakable boxer punch. The air oil-cooled twin-cylinder 4-stroke boxer engine delivers 109 horsepower and 85 pound-feet maximum torque at 6,500 RPM. 485 pounds weight, fully fueled, road-ready, 31.3-inch seat height. The stylish color scheme and exclusive details are a nod to the R90S. The black fork and handlebars, as well as the cockpit fairing with a dark tinted windscreen, all create strong contrasts. The Shadow and Shadow 2 billet packs and the silver-spoked wheels are exclusive to the R12S. The airbox badge with the red S serves to prove how fun and stylish the bike truly is. The stylish and sporty character is emphasized by the single-seat rear with paint in lava orange metallic and red double line work on brushed aluminum. With adaptive headlights, the Headlight Pro ensures optimal visibility in any lean angle. Thanks to the comfort package, you can enjoy confidence and comfort on the road. As shown, $21,590 MSRP, with a starting MSRP of around $16,295 for the base model. Now that's premium German engineering with a premium price tag. The ergonomics are based on the R12-9T and allow you to maintain a dynamic sitting posture. ABS Pro and DTC provide support on the road. But what if you want something that laughs at price tags and availability? Something so cool, Honda won't even sell it to us. Number 7. Honda Hawk 11. Now, the Hawk 11 brings Honda's renowned refinement and a larger, potent parallel twin engine to the cafe racer segment. Its styling is sleek and undeniably retro-modern. While perhaps not as overtly authentic as some others, its blend of performance, Honda reliability, and modern features makes it a very appealing and capable option. Powered by a liquid-cooled 1082cc parallel twin engine, the same unit from the Africa Twin and the NT1100. So it's a grunty thing with real-world performance. Designed to emulate classic cafe racers, the Hawk 11 features a low-slung, partially front fairing, round headlight, and sculpted tail. Showa forks, Pro-Link rear shock, double-disc front brakes, 17-inch wheels, and riding modes. Modern components throughout. Honda set its MSRP at roughly $9,500. Now that's incredibly reasonable for what you're getting. The problem? Japan exclusive availability. Honda was too chicken to sell its coolest motorcycle to global markets. Maybe with enough pressure, we can get Honda to sell it here. Well, one can dream, right? Now speaking of dreams, the next bike makes Italian character accessible without the usual Italian drama. Number 6. The Ducati Scrambler Night Shift. Despite the Scrambler name, the Night Shift effectively delivers a contemporary cafe racer aesthetic with Ducati's signature L-twin engine. It's nimble, stylish, and has a unique street scrambler meets cafe vibe that sets it apart. The modern components and refined ride make it a very accessible and enjoyable daily rider with Italian flair. The 803cc L-twin engine with desmodromic distribution and 2 valves per cylinder produces 73 horsepower at 8,250 RPM and 48.1 pound-feet of torque at 7,000 RPM. An air-cooled engine with electronic fuel injection and 50mm throttle body with ride-by-wire system. The nebula blue color scheme, the brown seat with dedicated finish, and full black spoked wheels give the Night Shift its decidedly street glamour look. 401 pounds dry weight, 31.3-inch seat height. A 6-speed gearbox with hydraulically controlled slipper and self-servo wet multi-plate clutch. 4.3-inch TFT color display, ride-by-wire, full LED lighting system. Bosch cornering ABS as standard equipment. Retail price, $12,395. The Night Shift proves Italian character doesn't require Italian maintenance nightmares. But sometimes you want the most authentic experience possible. Sometimes you want to feel what the original cafe racers actually felt like. We got number 5, the Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. Now, if authentic old-school charm is your absolute top priority, the Continental GT 650 is unmatched on this list. It truly nails the retro experience, from the air-cooled parallel twins rumble to the minimal tech. It's a fantastic entry point into the culture and incredibly charming. However, its lower performance and simpler components mean it won't keep up with the more modern, powerful bikes on this list. The 648cc air oil-cooled parallel twin configuration delivers 47 horsepower at 7,150 RPM and maximum 38.4 pound-feet of torque at 5,250 RPM. Clip-on bars, slim tank, and aero-straight subframe. The look is absolutely nailed. This carries all the hallmarks of a traditional cafe racer. The frame, developed in conjunction with legendary Harris Performance, has been thoroughly tested for durability and offers superior balance and handling. Finely tuned suspension featuring piggyback gas-charged twin shocks ensures the GT650 is a dynamic, lively, and agile ride. 472 pounds wet weight, 32.3-inch seat height, 55.04-inch wheelbase. An LED headlamp combines old-school aesthetics with some modern LED lights. Cast alloy wheels with tubeless tires. Premium aluminum switch cubes. An MSRP at $6,349. That's incredible value for genuine cafe racer DNA. Now what if you want the same bulletproof reliability, but with more Italian sophistication? We're at number 4, the Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa. This Guzzi brings undeniable Italian character, some unique aesthetics, and a more relaxed, comfortable take on the cafe racer. It's stylish without being overly aggressive, making it highly usable. The limited edition touches add exclusivity, and the shaft drive is a big plus for low maintenance. The transversely mounted 850cc V-twin with shaft drive creates that unique Guzzi setup. Long sculpted tank with some solid shoulder lines. The Corsa edition goes all in with a silver and red paint job, a racing saddle, and half fairing. Now it doesn't come with clip-ons, but honestly, that might be a blessing for your back. It's cafe racer style without the yoga-level flexibility requirements. Comfortable yet stylish. Retro done right. Limited edition touches add exclusivity that'll certainly turn heads. The shaft drive means low maintenance miles. And there's a strong community of owners who understand what makes these bikes special. The V7 Stone Corsa oozes charm and is perfect for those who prioritize style and a distinctive riding experience over outright speed. But what if you want the ultimate value and fun proposition? Got number 3, the Suzuki SV650X. Now the SV650X is the ultimate value and fun proposition in the cafe racer world. Now the base SV650 is a known quantity for its reliability, engaging V-twin, as well as its excellent handling. The X trim adds just enough cafe racer styling to make it look special without compromising its proven performance. It's less about deep nostalgia and more about a genuinely fun, affordable ride with a hit of retro. That 645cc liquid-cooled V-twin produces around 75 horsepower. The SV650 platform is legendary for reliability and engaging performance. The X version gives it a retro twist with clip-on bars, a mini fairing, and tuck-and-roll seat, just enough to play in the cafe racer sandbox. Coming in at 437 pounds curb weight, 31.1-inch seat height, a 56.9-inch wheelbase, and a 5.3-inch ground clearance. You've got telescopic front suspension with spring preload adjustable, link-type rear suspension with spring preload adjustable, twin front discs with ABS, electronic fuel injection with 50mm throttle body. Now the SV650X exudes classic cafe racer good looks that grab you from the very start. Now once you're on the road, you and the machine become traveling partners. Now it's more sport commuter than retro heartthrob, but if you want something that looks a little special and gets your pulse racing in the corners, the SV650X delivers. Now speaking of delivering, the next bike brings some serious performance wrapped in vintage racing aesthetics. Number 2, we've got the Yamaha XSR900 GP. This bike perfectly bridges the gap between raw, exhilarating performance and a compelling retro aesthetic. The CP3 engine is universally lauded for its power and character, and the modern electronics provide a safe and adaptable ride. Its 80s GP racer styling is distinct and incredibly cool. It's fast, fun, and looks fantastic, hitting a sweet spot of modern tech with retro cool that many riders desire. The 890cc displacement CP3 power plant delivers 117 horsepower. That ferocious triple-cylinder engine comes from the stellar MT-09 platform. Modern tech like ride modes, quick shifter, and adjustable suspension wrapped in classic GP racer looks. Half fairing, chunky seat unit, and red and white livery scream vintage racing. Think 80s GP racer brought to life. It comes in at 432 pounds wet weight, 32.1-inch seat height, and a 58.9-inch wheelbase. It comes with a new 5-inch full-color TFT display with 4 different themes, including an XSR exclusive theme featuring an analog-style tachometer. The third-generation quick-shift system enables clutchless upshifts and downshifts under both acceleration and deceleration. It's priced starting at $10,599 MSRP. You get some serious performance with authentic racing aesthetics. But our number 1 pick perfectly balances everything that makes a great cafe racer. Number 1, we've got the Triumph Speed Twin 1200. Now the Speed Twin 1200 offers a superb blend of genuine modern classic feel with some ample performance. The 1200cc high-torque twin is a joy, and the ability to customize it with official Triumph Cafe Racer parts allows riders to tailor the look without sacrificing comfort or daily usability. It embodies British cool and is a truly premium yet practical option. That 1200cc high-torque twin delivers some serious performance with sophisticated engineering. The same fantastic platform as the legendary Thruxton. Now here's the genius. Triumph offers official cafe racer parts, low bars, a seat cowl, racing components that let you transform the Speed Twin into a pseudo-Thruxton. The base bike is comfortable and practical with flat bars. Add the cafe components when you want that aggressive stance. Build quality is exceptional, premium components throughout, excellent fit and finish, and that distinctive British character. Now the Speed Twin 1200 embodies British cool while being genuinely usable. You can tour on it, commute on it, or transform it into a weekend warrior. Now this is what a modern cafe racer should be. Respectful of the past, built for the present, and ready for whatever you throw at it. So there you have it, the 9 best cafe racer motorcycles of 2025. From the hand-built exclusivity of the Norton to the accessible authenticity of the Royal Enfield, there's something here for every rider and every budget. Now that glowing red thing on your screen? Yeah, that's the subscribe button. Hit it if you want more bikes that deliver maximum soul without the drama. Still got fuel in the tank? Well then click on the next video right here.